As a Jamb tutor that produced a student that got 357 in Jamb 2025, here are the top textbooks I recommend for you if you are taking Jamb, especially as a science student. Jamb is not irregular. You have specified and recommended textbooks you need to use. For physics, I would advise you to use textbooks like New School Physics, as well as to get a textbook like Lamlat Physics to solve as many questions as possible, and also get a textbook like All-Inclusive Physics, yes, solve as many questions as possible. You know, physics is more of solving and all. For chemistry, I would advise you to get a textbook like Lamlat Chemistry. It is very detailed. Use that Lamlat Chemistry to help you because it focuses on Jamb students. Use Lamlat Chemistry, use New School Chemistry, right? Those textbooks are good. Lamlat Chemistry will give you access to a lot of questions, right? After that, for biology, I would advise you to use Modern Biology. Modern Biology, right? Use Modern Biology. It's a very good one for biology. You can as well get Essential Biology, but I still recommend Modern Biology over Essential every time. For a subject like mathematics, I would advise you to get further maths textbook here. Get further maths textbook. You can as well get New General Mathematics too. Well, further maths, you know, most of questions in Jamb mathematics still further maths related or something. So get further maths. You can also get your New General Mathematics too, or just get a textbook like Distinction in Maths. Right? Go to the market and search for all of these textbooks. You get for something like English, you can get a textbook like each set of Jamb use of English. Yes, that's a good one to really help you. And now, don't forget to read your Jamb recommended textbook. Your Jamb recommended text, which is the Lekki Headmaster, because you're going to see some questions coming out from that as well. Another thing you need to take note of. Thank God I didn't forget this. There's a textbook called, there is a past question that I want to specifically or specially recommend to you. I don't want you to miss out on that particular past question, which is the Jamb Remix past question. After getting all of these textbooks, get your Jamb Remix past questions, because in Jamb Remix you have access to practice questions per topic, right? So when you finish reading a particular topic, take your Jamb Remix. This is not an advert for Jamb Remix, but that's because they know what they are doing. Their textbook is okay. So you'll be able to practice your past questions or enough questions per topic. So let's say you finish a topic now in chemistry, let's say organic chemistry now. When you finish that topic, in Jamb Remix, you'll be able to practice as many questions as possible on that topic. So you can go like from topic to topic. So it's going to really help you. These are the textbooks I recommend as a tutor that produced a student that got 357 in Jamb last year. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.